Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sync your ManyChat leads with your CRM for free, keeping all your customer data in one place. The key to a free sync is using an automation platform like Zapier or Make.com. Zapier's free plan for this example. First, go to zapier.com and create a free account. Then, click Create Zap. For the trigger, search for and select ManyChat. Choose the trigger event New Subscriber. This will start the automation whenever someone new talks to your bot. Connect your ManyChat account. You'll need your API key, which you can find in ManyChat under Settings greater than API. Copy and paste it into Zapier next. Set up the action. This is where you connect to your CRM. Search for your CRM like HubSpot, Salesforce, or Zoho. Choose an action like Create Contact or Add Lead. Connect your CRM account to Zapier. Now, map the information from ManyChat to your CRM fields. For example, map the subscriber's name to the first name field in your CRM, their email to the email field. Any custom fields you've collected, test the Zap to make sure a new contact is created in your CRM when a test subscriber is added in ManyChat. Once it's working, turn on the Zap now. Every new lead from ManyChat will automatically become a contact in your CRM for free, and that's it. You've just set up a powerful, automated sync between your chatbot and your customer database. If this saves you time on data entry, let me know which CRM you're using in the comments. See you in the next one.